Hi everyone, welcome to PACCAR Genuine Parts. I'm Pete.
And I'm Kenny.
Today we're going to talk about PACCAR Genuine Brake Pads.
PACCAR Genuine Brake Pads are competitively priced, premium quality friction material.
These are the same pads that are spec'd on new PACCAR manufactured vehicles.
Plus, they're available for most popular trucks, trailers, and buses.
That's right, Kenny. PACCAR Genuine Pads meet Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 121, which is referred to as the Reduced Stopping Distance requirement.
Why is meeting the 121 standard important?
In tests, some competitors' aftermarket pads delivered stopping distances equivalent to drum brakes, which negates the safety advantages of air disc brake systems. The 121 standard assures your customers that the pads will deliver the performance they expect. Another important part of FMVSS 121 relates to park hold capabilities.
Please explain that a little.
No problem. FMVSS 121 states that with all parking brakes applied, the vehicle shall remain stationary facing uphill and facing downhill on a smooth, dry Portland cement concrete roadway with a 20% grade, both when loaded to its GVWR and at its unloaded vehicle weight plus 1,500 pounds.
And pads that don't meet the standard have an increased risk of rollaway.
Along with meeting FMVSS 121, PACCAR pads meet B level of the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency's Copper-Free Brake Initiative.
Non-complying pads can harm the environment and are illegal to use in California and Washington.
Exactly. And not all aftermarket brake pads in the market today can make the claim that they meet the Copper-Free Brake Initiative requirements.
So look for the Copper-Free Brake Initiative leaf logo on the box.
Let's not forget to mention that when replacing worn pads with PACCAR Genuine Pads, it's a good idea to also recommend that customers replace their rotors with PACCAR Genuine ones.
PACCAR Genuine rotors and pads are paired to work together. This is known as a friction couple.
In technical terms, the friction couple converts the kinetic energy of the spinning rotor into heat energy by clamping the pads against the rotor, slowing the wheel end. The contact between the pad and rotor creates friction, generating heat energy that the rotor stores and then dissipates.
The best friction couples result when rotors and pads are designed and engineered specifically to work together, which is what PACCAR Genuine did with their pads and rotors.
Great reminder of the importance of selecting the right part for the job.
Exactly, Pete.
PACCAR Genuine Pads also include an OEM hardware kit. That way you have all the key components needed for proper installation.
Another great selling point. Before we go, I think it's important to remind everyone that PACCAR Genuine offers a wide variety of components to keep your customers' vehicles' air disc brake systems operating properly.
Everything from rotors to calipers to air dryers, PACCAR Genuine has you covered.
One last quick point.
Hit me.
Using PACCAR Genuine pads will maintain your 5-year caliper warranty.
Great point.
Well, that's all the time we have. We'll see you next time here at PACCAR Genuine Parts.